Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. And in this video, we will see what is do while loop. In the last video, we have seen how to use while loop like this. Do while loop is also a kind of loop, but it's slightly different from a while loop. And I will show you the difference once I show you how to use it. So I will leave this code as it is, which I have shown you in the last video. So if you don't know how to use while loop, just see the last video. And this I will leave it as it is to show the difference between while loop and do while loop. And just below this while loop, I will declare one more variable int b, whose value is also 0. Okay. I have initialized a in the last video as 0, and now I am initializing b as 0. And let's see the syntax of do while loop now. So first of all, you write the keyword do, and then you write these curly braces, and at the end of your curly braces you just write while, and then in this round brackets comes your expression which you want to evaluate, and this will be the boolean expression. Let's say in the last video we have given this condition. I will copy the same condition in this while loop expression, but this will be b. We are evaluating the value of b, right? So this is our basic syntax for do while loop. And I'm also going to print the value of b, and I will increase the value of b by 1 as I have done in the last video. So here I'm printing the value of b, and I'm increasing the value of b by 1. Now let's see the basic difference between while and do while loop. Let's print some line or something in between so that we know that while loop ends and do while loop starts. So this will be the separator between the two lines, right? So let's try to run the program. And now the program has successfully run, and now the result is this one. So for the first time when you see it, shows no difference between the results, right? But the basic difference between while loop and do while loop is that while loop first evaluates the condition and then executes your statement, and do while loop executes, so it do first, so executes your statement first and then evaluates your condition, right? So for example, I want to check if the value of a is for example -1 here, okay, which is not. And here also value of b is -1. Here I'm checking if it's less than or equal to -1, and in while loop also I'm checking if it's equal to or less than -1. And then I run the program. What it does, this while loop will not be executed because we are evaluating this condition, and in here the value of a is equal to 0, and this condition is false because 0 is not less than or equal to -1, so this will not be executed at all, right? And then our line prints, so this line prints, so above this line there is nothing as result, as you can see here, but below this line we have a result 0. So why this is printing 0 here? Because it first executes your statement. So the value of b is 0, and it prints your statement and then increase the value of b by 1, and then it evaluates the condition, right? So even if the condition is false, the do while loop at least once it will be executed. Do while loop statement, at least once it will be executed, and then your condition will be evaluated. So this is the basic difference between while and do while loop. While loop first evaluates the condition, and then if the condition is true, it executes the statement. And do while loop first executes your statement and then check if the condition is true or false, and then once again it will executes your statement if the condition is true. So do while loop, at least once it will execute if the condition is false. So this is how you can use do while loop, and this is the difference between while and do while loop. I hope you understood the basic concept and hope you enjoyed the video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.